and the third one is now we planning for the hunting job. Okay, about CV. Yeah, it is a definition of the C the how said the recruitment on and the CV as well. You can see it a lot of things, but I don't want to go there. I will go very free here. Yes, very first one. I will ask you some question. Please answer me if you have an idea. According to you, what is the good CV? Yeah, someone can no. Yeah, follow your idea. According your idea, what is good CV? What is the good CV? And a good CV, what they need?
I think it have to cover the experience, the last experience, and more detail about the background, the hobbies, personal information, and something about the skill.
Anyone else?
I
Thank you.
update something like the achievement and some qualification certificate.
Okay, very good one. Certificate.
For me, I think that like there's many factors can contribute to the good CV, but I think that the most important thing that like you can put everything, you can just highlight like the experience or the work experience and your qualification, your everything, and but you just make the recruiter, they can just they just give you a 3 second, maybe just 1 minute, so you can understand who you are.
Yeah, exactly. Now I just
1 minute. You not type for me. I have the idea. You not write down. It's too long for your CV. But only highlight some the main experience, some the main skills, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. The highlight, not too long, right? Okay. Someone else, please give me. I will show you some things now you think, but it's not really true. It's untrue. It's not relevant about CV.
Okay, I just update one more thing. That's it, the career goal and objective.
Okay, good one. Goal. Yep. Other ones.
I see the good CV is the suitable CV with the job.
Suitable. How you can define suitable or not?
Suitable with the job.
Job requirement.
When you create a CV, you think the job you can work the job best, and you have appearing your story, your appearing, and your character suitable with the
characteristic, right? Your characteristic.
Yes.
Okay.
There is one easiest way that you just copy the requirement in JD and pass in your CV.
Okay, later on I will show you.
It's just kidding.
Either later on I will show you. So many people do it, and they will give the 01 and back into ngay vòng dưới xe. Yeah, but so many people do it. I don't know why.
Say this.
Yeah.
I think a good CV is the CV which can bring you a good job, maybe with a high salary and something like that.
How you can? Guys, please, guys. Now we have a 37 people. Okay, if you have can turn your camera on, please do it. Okay, I can see you. Sorry about it. My camera is already broken for 1 month. I can't show it, but if you can turn camera on and we can talk in more. Okay. Okay. Now I can see some argue here, but it's good. It's good. It's good.
Sorry, I cannot.
If you cannot, it's okay.
my camera is not installed for my computer.
Okay, no problem. And someone else now show me now. Give me more information. That what you think about a good CV?
Okay, I update one more thing. That's it. Expected salary.
Expected salary. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, expected salary. I write down now. I write you the paper. I don't know. Record all of your idea. Expected your idea, right? Salary, right?
I never see a CV that mentioned about a salary in the CV.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
really?
Okay.
So should we do it, Mr. Fook? We mentioned about the salary.
Later on, I will show you. You should not, shouldn't later. Okay.
I think the good CV is me honest.
Huh?
The good CV is I think is me honest.
Be honest, right? Honest,
yeah.
honest, right? Honest, right? Trung thực, right? Honest, right? Okay, honest.
Be careful and clearly
Yeah,
and make sure the spelling is correct.
yeah. Okay, good one. Someone else, please. No?
I think a good CV need to be well formatted.
Well format or good structure, right? Structure, good structure.
I just remember one thing that's very important. That's your pictures.
Okay, your pictures. Well, okay. Add it for pictures. Add pictures.
Also, I think objective it also need to be included, right?
What's again, Nan?
Objective in the CV should be there in the CV.
Yeah, must one objective. Okay.
Well, I just want to add one more opinion that I think the good CV would be the one can well describe yourself without seeing you. It means that the interviewer don't have to see you, don't have to have like verbal communication with you, but they still can know you well. So that is the way we make a good CV.
The way Mr. Tai speaking, I think later on you can to be HR recruitment similar like me. I don't know why, but I feeling you can have a potential for that. I don't know why, but
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Someone else. It's a lot of information, but now some very here. Okay. If all of you now, okay, I will recap all your information now. First is background, achievement, certificates, highlights, information, but not too long. Show your goal, show your expectation, salary. Now should be to be honest, have a good structure, have a pictures and objective as well. But in general, for all of your information, it's all good. But I give you some information in the market. What the people do, even the person who is experienced, not fresher. The fresher who just graduates, sometimes because they don't have information, they don't know, they lack of experience, so they did it. But now I can see even the person who have a 10-year or more, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years or more, they still do a mistake as well. Okay, the reason why, because such a long time you don't create a CV, or you out of debt, or you don't think those information that it is important enough, but it totally waste your times and very dangerous. But now I will show you the structures. Okay, first the CV is the gas, and the CV I think is the thickest is better. Okay, when you knock the door and you show your tickets. But the problem when I talk with many students is, okay, sorry, before I say that, anyone use the top CV? Or you have the top CV or any sample? Anyone?
So CV, the website you are missing.
Yep. The website and how say the sample of CV.
Yes,
you
I
use
know.
it.
Yes, I use it for my first job.
Okay.
Put the CV on the website and file recruitment.
Okay. Okay. You know what? If you just graduate in your class, at least you have maybe dozens of people, right? Many people, many students in your class. And now please imagine that all of you now download on a top CV or you use the same format. What happened? If I the recruiter, you see, okay, that is kind of all the same, no different. Okay. And I do believe that if you can get a job, that job is not so good. It's just so. It's not so good. The reason why, because every people use that form and it's so easy. Every people use it. Even you're a very good person, but because the format is a form, okay, it will eliminate your chance to get a job. So the first thing before you create a CV, forget about a top CV or any kind of sample of CV.
Yes.
Okay, it's the first one. Don't use it. Okay, maybe whole your life, 4 years in the university, you can be lazy. That's okay. But now at the moment, do something different. You desire your ticket. Please don't lazy. Because when you lazy, so many people lazy, similar like you. And because the good chance is one or two. When you lazy, some person is not lazy. They work so hard or they find out the good way to create a good CV. And then they take the good chance and the social chance for your, okay? So I will really want to emphasize again, don't download in the top CV or any kind of sample in the Google. It's the first one. It's the must one. Okay. Don't be lazy. I know it is so easy. It's like an instant noodle, instant noodle, right? You buy an instant noodle, you put a hot water there and everything's there. You can eat so fast, but it totally waste your time and it's do harm for your health. Here is the same. Okay, one more again. Okay, very important. Don't use simple CV anymore. Okay, if you have one now, reject it. And if you can get a job, I think it's not really good. Okay, okay. And the
It's
second one, a second one is the myth. You know the myth? The myth. Sorry. Sorry.
truyền thuyết, kind of truyền thuyết. It's not real, right?
Yeah,
It's a-
yeah. Because I heard someone want to say something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Zoom, but sorry because
yeah.
my laptop don't have a camera.
Yeah. Okay. Myth here. Please see on the chat box. Myth. It's a truyền thuyết. The myth. What the myth talking about? They talking that please make the CV include one pages, right? Have you heard about this? What one pages of CV? Hello?
You
No,
talk.
I not yet.
Okay.
One page I not yet heard.
Yeah. So many people, especially for young people. Okay. Or my friend, even now, I heard it. Wait, please don't make CV too long. It's a one page is okay. One pages, everything there. One pages.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
one page. Sorry, one page. Okay. So many time. Okay, and listen. Okay, just a one page. Okay, one page is not. It's no. It's no. Currently, I see on the good CV, most of them they at least have a 2 or 3 page. Okay. Okay, later on I will describe why. Okay, but now I give you the information. Why is that? If you fresher, why they give you advice that you just make everything on one page? The reason why, because they avoid you write too many too many information, but that information is nonsense or don't help you show up yourself. Okay, one more again, because they want to support or the one the fresher who just graduated from university that don't put too much information on the CV, right? Yeah. So they say that okay, just make everything there, one page okay. But if you are a very good student, let's example, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 projects, okay, you are one medal because you win the how say that the mathematics competitive somewhere, and you have a 1 or 2 companies donate you do something about a technical competition. Yes, please put all of them please put all information on the CV. If you are a very good one, very good student, at least please ensure you put on a good thing on the CV. Don't now please don't care about one page. That one page for normal one. If you are the good one, okay, please input more. Why? Because that CV will reflect yourself and reflect your effort. Okay, someone is a very normal one. They have nothing to share. One page is enough. Don't write too much because that information is not value. But if you are a good one, please input more, but ensure that that information is value. Okay, okay, okay. Two things. Remember, first, don't use sample CV, and second one, forget about one page. If you are a good one, okay, please input all of things on the CV. Okay, and what the thing is good, I will show you later on. Okay, yes.
Yes.
So far so good.
Okay.
One. So what? So far so good.
Yeah. So good.
If you have any information or questions, just stop me. Okay.
Mr. Phước, I have one problem I want to get. So recommend my CV has 5 pages, and at that time I show for my colleague. They says my CV is not good to show for requirement. But I talk to them. I want to show my experience about requirement to get the first information about me. And they said it is not good for requirement to see. And they recommend me. I have to. I have to get the key information to show about 1 or 2 pages.
Okay. How long you work? How long you work? How long you work? Right. So far, how long?
About until now, it is over 5 years.
5 years, 5 pay is too long. Huh? 5 years, I think 3 pages is the best one. But later on, I will show you what is the best information that you need to input your CV. Don't worry about this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I will help you. Okay. Here, I think the one of the most important things for of today's what you need to input your CV. You can see it.
Yes.
Is it an international standard one? Yes. Even if you now type good CV on the Google, we show you for that format. Yes. I already checked it many years. You know, I'm very proud of because my CV is one of the best one. When I submit, maybe I already make the analyze and count maybe 70 or 80%. Even some job is very hard, and I win. Yes, and it follows exactly that format. Okay, and very first one, I will how say that talk more detail. Okay, first of all, a person data, day of birth, play up. Now you know DOB, day of birth, ngày sinh.
Yes.
BOD, place of birth, nơi sinh, nguyên quán, gender, a contact point. Please ensure the contact point is correct number, phone, okay, and correct email address. Today, I get a CV. He have an NBA. He worked for 7 years, but the number is wrong. And how I contact him? Yeah, no way. And I rep him on the email by email. Oh, my guy, she's not really now. It's how say that the bad impression. Yep. They please ensure that your contact point is correct, your phone number, okay, and your address, because when you are one, they will call you via that number. Please ensure that, right? Okay. Very first of all, I will show my now. Okay, maybe you can see here. I also my now prepare my CV here. I will show you what I already do here. Okay, everything here. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, later on I will show what I do with my CVs. Okay. And second one is education background. Okay. And somehow, okay, here. Okay, between personal data and education background. Okay, some person, if you really clear about yourself and your career path, you can put some information. We call it career adjective. Career adjective between your information and background here. We career adjective. Okay, here between here, yeah, between personal data and your background, you can put career adjective. Okay, to highlight yourself, what you want to be, who you are now. Okay. After background, working experience. And next one is skill, activities, personal quality, referral. All of the information should be here. Okay.
Yes.
And that is the simple one. Maybe you can take the pictures of this, but how to show it, how to present is much more important. Okay, it's much more important. That is just now the structure always there is very easy, but how we show it. Okay, how we write it down, what the word, what type of word you should be writing is much more important. Okay, now let me read about this. What it shouldn't here, what it should. Now first, everything should be correct. Okay, and now clear, show you what is the clear and trình tự thời gian lùi dần. Okay, later. Okay, here is very important. Please ensure that your whole CV is the same type, cỡ chữ, kiểu chữ. Please ensure that. And here, độ dài ha, the length around 2 to 3 pages is okay. Okay.
Yes.
What is shouldn't about the grammar? Okay, it's too long or too many things about your family. I don't care about your families. You have parent, okay, it's your. You have a 2 sister, 1 brother. I don't care. Please don't put it. Okay. Please don't use Excel file. Okay, never ever seen it. Someone use Excel file. Okay, here important. Don't use one CV for many companies. The reason why. The reason is very simple. Each company, they have a different requirement.
Yeah.
If you use a one ticket, okay, like if you use a one ticket and go to cinema, okay, CGV, you cannot, right? Or you have one key, you cannot open VinFast, Toyota, Mitsubishi, it cannot. It looks similar, but the core sometimes is really different. Okay. And if you use one CV, I have seen some guy have one CV and applied for 6 or 7 companies, and just 1 or 2 of them replied. And how say that? It's not really, it's good. Okay. Here, don't write the information but unclear, which is no, they don't have a company name, right? Like I work for blah 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 for 1 year, but that company is just a coffee shop or something, or don't have a name. Okay, it shouldn't. Or here, don't use a simple CV here. The reason why I already shared with you, right? Please keep in mind, don't use a simple CV and forget about 1 page. Okay, here, don't use a simple CV, and here, 2 or 3 pages is the best one. Okay. So far so good, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Here,
Very good.
okay, in our group, someone is a student. It's for you. Right? Now, if you're not a normal student, don't care what I'm saying. because when you know more, you don't have these things. If you're a good one, okay, please take a note. Please list all of, yeah, here, okay, what you have in a competitions, right? If you join in a projects, okay, please show it. Okay, if you have a part-time job or internship, you can put it, but don't too long. Don't write too long. Okay. Yeah, here, it can be a hobby. Okay, show some hard skill. Okay, and what are you good about? Okay, and about your soft skill. Okay, how to write it, how to present on the CV. I will show you later. It have a format. Please don't put it. I'm very good at leadership. I'm very good at Excel. I'm very good at Word. I'm very good at English. No, it's not the way. It is latest. It's not present. It is not. It's not write a CV. It's just you list the information that you have. Okay, got it. Okay. Yeah, here. Yeah, as you know it, we have a 30 seconds something about it. Blah 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 blah. Everything here. Okay. Uh. Okay. Please send a CV under PDH type. Okay. And how to write out the object, your full name, your position. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Everything here. Don't care about this. I will show your CV. It is my CV, a newest one.
Oh, Tam Phú, Thủ Đức City. Yeah. Or you please near my company.
What's that?
You I see your arrest. You live near my company.
Near company. What your
If
My company name is INO Master Co Limited in uh, Sun Sunview or Tam Phú Tam Phú apartment Miguel Street.
okay.
Uh, Tam
Is Tam Phú hay is not
uh,
Okay, and I'm living in Tamben. Is near enough?
and maybe it's opposite.
Yep, opposite. Okay.
With your address.
Okay, got it. Okay, guys, I not only show you my CV. It's a different one, but I will still want to show you, to guide you. But according to you, what is a good adjective here? Career adjective. According to you, is a good adjective? Someone can say. Just share an idea.
Okay, the good objective that you can show that who you want to become in next 3 or 5 years.
Yeah.
And what is the expected environment you want to work in?
Yeah. Very good one. Someone else? Have you put any career adjective in honesty?
Honestly, I never put any objective in my CV.
Okay, got it. Okay. Adjective here very important. And the very first of all, please show who you are. Example, to be a professional sales engineer with high technical skill and broad understanding to assist like client and gain something blah 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 factory automation space. Yeah, something like this one is a yes. That is Phước. Yes. But if you are the student, you can put here is after 5 years with my fully understand about my majors and my skill, I fully understand that I can support or can handle the job in some things like in automation factory or in automation industry with the guidance from how say that, with my guidance from lecture or something, and very show who you are here. Okay. And second one is is your your experience and what you can contribute. Okay. 2 year experience for some things, and what I want to work in the work class environment, especially in technical sales side some things. Okay. Yes. And the last one, uh you confirm again what is your best skill that you can contribute. Okay. One more again, I will show you the structure of the career objective. First, show who you are. Okay. Second one here, okay, your experience and what you can contribute. The last one, please confirm again what is your best skill. Okay. Okay, got it? So far so good one. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, one more again. First, now show who you are. The second one, your experience and what you can contribute here. And the last, please confirm again your best skill. Okay. Next. Okay. Study process or background. Okay. Here, have a two things. MBA program. Okay. Please show information here. The range. Very good or good something. Okay. Ensure that don't hide it. Okay. Okay. Show it.
So
Okay.
what happened if my grade point is very low?
If you if you are very low, just hide this one. Hide it. Just no. Just give the information of rank. Okay.
Okay, I always hide.
Okay. Okay. If you're not here now, just now hide and only show the rank. That is enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that CV I update for the experienced guys. Okay. So I don't show my here I now here again for new person. Sorry, here. Okay. For competitions or now a mùa hè xanh or part-time job, everything, because I already experience. They don't care what I have to do when I was a student, right? 10 years ago, they don't care. Okay, so that's the reason why I keep all the information. No. Okay, so in my CV don't have it. It just only show employee history. Okay, now please focus on. It's very important. It's a structure. I am a big fan of the structures because the structure can help the people can see it or collect information faster and correctly. Okay. One more again. It's just only put its working experience, but how we can present the working experience on the CV is much more important. Here, working experience. If you cannot see, just tell me, okay? Here, working experience, employee history, how we can show it, and you can take the picture if you want, huh? In very first, show the times, okay, the time here, and your company name here, okay. When they screen your CV, first the screen. How long that he or she working for that company? The reason why. Sorry.
Can you some? Can
Zoom.
you some?
All right. Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here, please see the structure. It's much more important because I see so many CV. I will show later. Here, a different one. You can see it's messy. It's good, but messy. You really now hard to follow information. Okay. Here, first show the times, how long you work in there, and for that companies. Okay, look at that. Phước worked more than around 1 year for Sony in Vietnam. Okay, what he did there? He did the leadership, ship leaders as MMD system in the product lines. And what he do? He have a 5 team leader and over 7 T operator under. Okay. It's clear. First, your time. Okay, I will work here for Sony in 1 year, and what I did here, I am a team leader and I have a 5 team leader and more than 70 operator to handle. Okay, under my role. Okay.
Oh, sorry for.
Yep.
Sorry for interruption, but I have a question just come up to my mind. So what if I show the time sequence from now and back to the past?
Yes, it's okay, and that's a good one. Okay, no problem. Yeah,
it's okay, right?
Yeah. Here that means now you from this day to now on, right?
Yeah.
And back to it's okay, and
okay,
it's very good, and it's no problem.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, it is same, but please ensure that it follow the flow. Okay, from now back to history or history back to now on. Okay, whatever.
Yes.
Okay, and one more again. Okay, ensure times, company, role, and here information, responsibility, your task. In Sonian, or with my title as leader, I organization the resort for the workflow, material, equipment, and control products quality, duration, products, blah, cost, safety, and no line stopping. Okay, what I achieved here: improve productivity, less operator but high productivities, ensure quality goods, always ensure quality enough, and capability under overtime targets. I show you one thing is very important. Can you see? Organizing, controlling, improve, ensure. What is kind of that word? Động từ hả? You can see that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Please try to put something like this. Verb in. Organizing, controlling, improving or ensure something. Okay. Trying to put this. Because
we will verb in first.
Yes. Should be.
Yeah.
It's more how say that? It's more fancy. It's more lecture or something. Yep. Okay.
Can we use verb in the first sentence?
Why you use first ed? That means you know it before, huh? But so far you don't know it anymore.
Because I want to show the experience in the past.
You know it. It's already the past now. It's already the past. You don't need it the past anymore. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. But please use the verb in type because it's much more. I don't want to say that fancy, but it's more clearly and it's a how say that. It's a good
formal,
one.
right?
Okay.
It's formal.
Yeah, formal. Yes, thinking like formal. That's it. That's formal. Yeah, it's a good one. Formal. Thank you, An. And you can see that. I use a lot of verb in. Okay. Next, the same. Here, Kimberly Clark. My role is procurement specialist. Responsive, but our requirements I buy MRO item engineer part service timely, cost effective, some things negotiables and refer and anything. Okay. Controlling. Okay. Short things. Okay. Yes. And one more thing, if your achieve can measure, okay, I saving around here after 7 months working, it's nearly 1 billion, huh? 900 triệu, huh? 900 millions after 7 months. I saving for Kimberly Clark. Yep. One more again, please remember the structure. First is role, responsibility, achievement. Okay, if you follow exactly that structure, when the recruitment persons, they don't ask any question because everything already there. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone, when you see that information, do you have any question about this? It's clear, right?
Yeah, it's
It's
very
clear
clear.
enough. It's clear.
You numberize your information because
Yeah.
like you everybody that like you are productivity person, but how, and you can show them that you can save the money or something like that, right?
Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. That's the reason why. That is structure is one of the best one. Okay, for engineer, huh? For engineer, CV of engineer. For artists or other, I'm not sure, but for engineer is the one of the best one. Okay, for keyens, okay, here, okay, because I use that CV when I was still work for keyens. Okay, I'm a senior sales engineer, automation division. Right, you can see that searching, media, making, managing. Okay, everything is a verb in. Yeah, it's quite clear, right? Phước working for Kian as a sales engineer, senior sales, and automation division. What he do for new client who have benefit some things, yeah, everything there, okay. And responsibility, searching new client, make the phone calls, travelings, make the technical presentation and demonstrating, okay, nego and closing the deal on the sale. What is the achievement? Okay, focus on something, okay, hit target 500 to 900 million a month on average. Okay, and I hit the target. Hit target mean 100%. Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, my role is I call for around 40 phone call a day, and sell call. Sell call mean I go to meet the customer, 4 to 5 customer a day as well. Yes. And I open some key customer. Open key customer mean before I join or before I run that business in key, and no one open that account.
You pave the way, right?
Sorry, Ann?
It means that you pave the way for
Pay the way. I don't know how to, what it mean of pay the way.
lát đường
No. Key in a very big firm, huh? We never do on the table thing. That means before I join in Kians, no one in Kian sell for Heineken, Olympus, or Energy. It's all a very big company, but we don't have a transaction. We have a no sale, right?
It means that bạn là người lát đường, tức là
người đầu tiên đúng không? Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. I think you can use the icebreaker is better. Icebreaker. Yeah. Okay. Which is you show some information, because when the XR person will say, okay, that guy, he can open some key customer very big like a Heineken or Olympus. That guy is have a potential because before him no one can do it, but he can do it, right? Yeah. Okay. So in general, one more again, please remember the structure. First, information about the time, about your company name, what your role there, your role mean your senior sales or your engineer or what you do. Okay. And responsibility, okay, every day what you do, what you're doing here. Okay. Achievement, if you have any number to measure, please put it in here, because just a fact and figure. If you show the number, every people can see that. Okay. And every people on the same page. Okay. Got it? So far everything is good? Everyone, anything to ask or to share?
Sorry. Yeah, I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
Yes, should we mention all the responsibilities? because for a role we have many tasks.
Yep.
We need to be responsible for many responsibilities.
Yep.
So should we mention all in the CV?
Yeah. Of course not. If you list here, maybe it's 100 things. Okay, no need. The key factor here, you just put the responsibility, what you think that can show yourself with the HR person. Okay, I will show you some. Research for new client could be benefit from byproducts. It's what is represent? Is present you are the active one, right?
Yes.
You are active person. Okay, you searching something, you attack the customer, okay, and you show the benefit from your products. Because I'm a sales engineer, I should be do it. Okay. First, it show I am the active person. And second one, make the phone call and traveling visits customer 2 or 3 times a week, meeting a regular sales target. First, meeting customer, that means I work very hard. I go to customer as much as possible. Okay, and I usually meet regular sales target. I hit the goal. Okay, it's a good one.
Okay.
Making technical presentation and demo. Okay, that show I am the good person, not only about sales skill but also about technical skill. I can present and also demo, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and nego and closing. After I show my technical skill and my sales skill, I need to closing the deal by negotiation, right? I use it here, negotiating and closing. Okay, by agreeing on term and condition. I also deal the term and condition. If you sell, you know it. The term mean 30 day after invoice day something, blah 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 blah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. But and after that, you offer the after sales support service and solving the problem of the clients. If you really a salesperson, when you see the responsibility, you can say, okay, Phước in Kians is a quite good person who know how to find the customer, who know how to attack customer, who know to show the technical skill and also sales skill. He also know how to negotiation and closing the deal. And after that, he support the customer after sales. It's the circle of the salesperson. Okay. First, try to find the customer, contact to them, attack them, okay, and show them the presentation or demo and closing the deal. And after that, support the problem or after sales service. It's the whole circle of the job. Okay, everything's just go around, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, got it?
Okay, thank you. That's great.
Yeah. If you're an engineer, okay, you are an engineer. Very first of all, yeah, maybe you submit your problem, your main root cause some things, and you plan the maintenance plan, okay, and you check the machine with the stakeholder, and you execute, you process something, but ensure that when you put the responsibility here, the XR person, you can see the whole of your roadmap, okay, your daily duties, you can see everything there. Okay, don't miss it, but don't put more. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Okay, okay, everyone. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, now please say something. Yes, because I don't know you are there or
Yes,
not.
yes, yeah, that's good. That's good. I got it. And
Okay.
actually, I think that for achievement, we should mention something measurable, right?
Yep, sure. You can hear.
Yeah,
I put
as
some
we
measure here.
convince,
Yeah,
is
here.
convinced the recruiter
Yeah,
with the
here.
number.
Yeah, the number here. A number here. Here. Huh?
Yeah.
All good, huh? Okay.
Okay.
About the skill. Here I see so many CV. You put the skill, which is you know what the skill with the chart. Whole of the star, 5 star, 1 star, something. You know it?
Yes, yes.
Everyone know it? Okay, like, how say that? English 4 star, Excel's, Microsoft, some things, 5 star, leader skill, 5 star, English 3 star, something. Please don't do it. One more again, please don't do it.
Just self-evaluation, right?
Yes, just a self-evaluation. Okay, if I evaluate myself, Phước about English, just 3. But someone, because he don't know about himself and he just compare with himself the past and right now, 5 star. But no, it's nonsense. Don't use it. One more again, don't use just kind of about star, 5 star, or now the biểu đồ cột, or the chart something. Please don't use it. It's very weird. Okay, it have no meaning. Here is better. If you input your skill, first, please, the show here, adjective word, fluent, good. Why? Because they know your potential, know your capability. Fluent is very good. Okay, I will show I'm fluent at teamwork. That means Phước is very good at teamwork. And one more than that, I did more detail. What mean fluent? Mean can work with co-workers from many countries or departments. Easy adapt and handle process and workload. That proof is a whole, like here is the whole phrase here. Okay, whole phrase here. Okay, it's support to define fluent. Got it, everyone? Yes. If you want to say, okay, very good at English, please put it fluent and communication in English at both writing and speaking skill. It's very clear, right? But I want to highlight more again. Why? Because all a company that I work are using English as a main language, both reporting and meeting. Okay, it's all clear, right? No question, right? All the same pay, right? I not just by myself. I prove by the information. Okay, maybe here if fluent, I think okay, I'm fluent, but here is the evidence already here. Okay, or good at automation and factory process. Why? Because based on my experience when I was students as engineer, something is very good at foundation. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay, if you want to input, you very good at design or POC programming, you can put it I very good at or fluent, POC programming or design something because I already have a 2-year or 3-year work on the process and my product something blah 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 already sell somewhere. Please put the adjective word first here, fluent, good at, and after that is the phrase, okay, to support for your idea. Okay, first you can show your image, who you are. Okay, you good or not. Okay, and the second one you show is the evidence. Okay, I not speak by myself, but I also show the evidence why I say that. Okay, please don't put English skill good or teamwork 5 star something. No, don't use it, because if I the HR person or recruiter, when I say okay, that guy 5 star, that guy 4 star, who is better? No one can answer that question. No. Okay, but here can help the people, that bring all the people on the same page. No more questions. Okay, very clear. Okay, got it? Yes. Happy, please make up yourself here. Please make up yourself here. I don't care you like football. No. I don't care you like a movie. No. But if you are a salesperson, I can little bit care. Okay, Phước like reading positive book. Okay, because he reading book, so maybe that guy is a positive person. He like public speaking and debate. Maybe he good negotiation skill. And he like learning about automation, sensor, POC, robot, IoT. Maybe that guy is good at technical as well. The hobby is not about hobby. The hobby is the factor to support for your image. Okay. Remember that your CV is yourself. It reflect yourself. Okay, you can make up it a little bit. don't too much. Oh, but here is a good one. If the positive person, the person is good at negotiation, the person is good at automation and technical in general. The last but not least, here is reference. Why put reference? When you join or when you submit in the good job from middle to high level, at 100%, the HR person or recruitment will call for your coworker or ex-coworker to review or to confirm all your information is correct or not. So you need to input some information, at least 2 informations of your coworker, okay, and ensure they will support you when the recruitment or HR person call them. For reference, for student, you can input your study advisor or your teacher who support you in the final thesis, okay, like a teacher or doctor or brought up some things, okay. And please, one more again, ensure that the phone number is correct, okay. Okay, that's it, everyone. Okay, I will recap all the informations. First, very simple. Your information here, pictures here, career objective here, study process. If you're very good, now show your point. If not, you can hide. Rank is enough. Yeah, employee history. Please ensure that you follow date, company's name, role, responsibility, achievement. The same here. Skill, go with the adjective word, okay, and follow the praise. And the praise will define or support the idea for the adjective word here, okay. The hobby, please choose the hobby wisely, okay. Okay, because the hobby will define yourself, okay. Make up a little bit, should be like a reading book or do something. Don't put now play football, badminton, or go fishing or climbing or trekking. No, please don't do it because it doesn't support anything, okay. No, if you put it, I like play football or trekking, that guy is not reflect anything, cannot support you, okay. And the last one is reference. I don't know. Yeah, maybe, but in general, yeah, I refer this one. Oh sure, I like reading book and public speaking and learning about this one is mine. I'm not fake it. And I show one of the other ones, okay. It's a very good one. It's a IELTS, but English now skill here now consider communication and negotiation. How's good? B2B skill, Microsoft Office. How is good? I don't know, right? Yeah, we don't know how it's good. Communication and negotiation is very good, fluent or so. No one know, right? Yeah, about English. Okay, maybe he have an IELTS test here, seven score 7, number 7. But it's good or not? Why is good? No one know. Yeah, and tonight I will now support him to fix that CV. It's one of my friends. Yeah, it's very long. It's very long, but yeah, the structure is now it's too long. Giving one side consultant, customer, technical, so many things need to fix here. Yeah, you can see that the timeline is now is unstable. Yeah, yeah, you can see now it don't follow the format, and you can see now everything look a little bit messy. And at the very first times look good, everything now nice, but digging more, it's not it's not it's not. Blood donation, who care about blood donation anymore, huh? When you were a student, you have blood donation, who care? I don't care what you put here. No need, right? Oh, now driving supporter, now you know is no need, huh? Because you already have a experience. No need. If you're a student or fresher, that's okay. Yeah, now working experience is too long. Okay, too long. Yeah, no need. Yes, that's it for you. Okay, if you just remember one thing, okay, here is enough for you. Here, yeah, personal data, education background, working experience, key skill, activity, personal quality, referral, and you all structure, okay, and put it in CV. And when you expand the information, okay, you are not a structure like a role, responsibility, achievement, okay. And in the role, you already know what you should put in here, responsibility, follow with gerund, right? Verb in, okay, some number in achievement, yeah. Skill, you start with adjective and praise after that to prove your 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 capability. Happy, make it a little bit yeah, how say that, make up. And reference, yes. And the last one more again, please don't use sample CV, don't care about one page, yes. And I hope you can do the good CV as well, and everything waiting for you in the future. Yes, that's all.
Yeah.
Yes, that's all. That's all.
Yeah,
Thank
very
you,
good.
Mr.
Very
Phước.
good. Thank you, Mr. Phước.
Yes,
So
that's
I have
good.
one question for you, Mr. Phước.
Yep.
Yes,
And
so,
yep.
just so in fact now there are too many information related to personal CV on LinkedIn, on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
and I know that there are many CV, fake CV.
Yeah.
Yes, so you work as a headhunt, so
Yeah.
how can you define which one is a fake CV or which information is right, which information is wrong? Yeah.
Yeah,
How
very
you
simple
define
one.
it? Yeah.
Yeah, very simple one. Very simple one. Okay, back into a little bit my CV here. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question? Any question? Any other question?
Mr. Phước, I have the question.
Yeah. Please.
So when we make the CV, we want
Yeah.
to put some outcomely relevant to my experience in the past. But the working time is very short. I mean that it's just about 3 months, 6 months, or less 1 year. So may the candidate as the major recruiter and board company can think the candidate is not so the lawyer for the company.
Yeah.
I mean the candidate can have the ability to work a long time, 5 years, 10 years, so they will appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's right.
Yep, correct. Here you can see the jumpy.
Yes.
The jumpy means the CV of the candidate jump too much. Like a 5-year working, but he jumped 2 or 3 times. It's a very bad one, and they will reject it. Yes, sure.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. The jumpy CV is a very bad one. Remember me. Okay, maybe you fresh, it's okay. Maybe you work too long, that's okay. Maybe you're not really good, it's okay. But you are jumpy one. Reject. One of the first factor when we can see CV if the jumpy or not. If you jumpy, like a 5-year first 5 years in your career path, and you jump 6 or 3 or 4, rejected. The reason why, because that person is uncountable. You know uncountable?
Yeah.
Okay, uncountable. Okay, cannot trust him. Okay, if I hide him, no one can ensure that will he stay here. Okay, so the solution for that one, please find a job that you can stable for at least 3 or 5 years, 3 to 5 years. Okay, and if you already jump, if the working time very short now, just ignore. Yeah. Okay, got it.
So how we can show the experience on this position?
Huh? Sorry.
So how we can show experience on this position?
I not really get your mean.
Mr. Phước already said that you just hide it.
Yes.
If it too short, like a 1 month, 3 months, no, don't care about this. Okay, just hide.
Yes.
Okay, and back into the question of anh Trường. Okay, if someone fake the CV, huh? And
yes, correct.
okay, it's very simple one. Okay, we look into the responsibility and achievement. And okay, I show you. If someone said, okay, I go to the travel the customer three or 2 times a week, and when I say, okay, it's a very good one, which customer you used to go for, and how you can visit customer, how you can do it, okay, how you can go to visit the customer. Someone else help you to book the meeting, or you book yourself by yourself. Okay, and if but that person, he really do it, he really did it, he say, okay, maybe I do it by myself, and we ask, okay, how you can make the meeting, you just make the phone calls, and how you make the phone call. And if he really did it, he can answer the question, but the fact ones, he never know.
Yeah.
Or they always have a number here, the sales targets, the goal, huh? Yes. And we ask them how you can achieve that number. And if the person who really did it, who really achieved that one, you say, okay, every day I go to the customer and I make the presentation with that one, this one, that's one, this one, and everything very smooth and very smooth. It's linked together and very logic.
Yeah.
And even though I ask so many questions, he can answer the question because he already did it. But the person who fake it, he don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe in the first step he fake it, and next step fake it until he forgets something. And it's very easy to realize who he fakes and who he not. Yep. So you just focus on 2 points: responsibility and achievement. If you really achieve something, you never forgot it, and you can explain very smoothly. But you not, you fake it. Okay, it's how say that, it's really now it's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You forget something and you try to make it up, but you, because I already work in that section, right? You can, you can manipulate myself. Okay, yeah, I can realize. Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Phước. So
Yeah.
so I time it's time quite late
Oh yeah,
for today.
yeah.
But so
It's
it's
really
time
late.
for short introduction about a newcomer. So
Yeah.
I want to know some information and short introduction about Miss Lina.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Andy.
for lady first. Yeah.
Sorry, Trường, because I will now leave now. I will take some feedback. Everyone, what do you think about today? The information is good for you or not? Just feedback me right now.
Yeah.
No one.
First, I think the presentation is very good for everyone and me, and I can see any information. I can review my CV again and modify some information for my CV.
Yeah.
And I think as my question to you, the first presentation of you, I ask you, and I will modify for shorter CV of me. Thank you so much.
Okay. Got it. Okay. If anyone have any feedback, you can now text to me in the group. Yes, and we're trying to do our best to bring some information good for you. Okay, and I a little bit late. I will leave it sooner. Okay, soon. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you everyone today.
Great,
Yeah.
great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. See you. Yes.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so much
Thank you. Bye
for
bye.
your presentation today. Yeah.
I think if possible, so Miss Lina, so can you introduce yourself?
Um, my name is name is Lina. My Vietnamese name
Yes.
is Hoài Linh.
Hoài
Yes.
Linh.
Yes.
Hoài. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So
I yeah.
how about your job?
I work as a seller in INO Master Company Limited in Ho Chi Minh City.
So can you spell
Uh,
your company name again? Seller of
INO.
INO.
And
I
yes.
yeah, INO. Yeah.
Measure.
Measure.
Measure. Yes.
Yeah. So this is oh, sorry. What is your product of company? Your company?
Products of my companies is electric equipment. Example, the sensor, industry sensor,
Yeah.
photo sensor, temperature sensor, pressure, and flow, and camera used for the high temperature.
That means your company is a distributor in Vietnam, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah, distributor of too many product. Yeah, in Vietnam. So
Yeah.
how long you work as a seller? How many years? Yeah.
Because in my company I work more job. Example, I work as a seller, and sometimes I work as a importer and accountant.
Yeah.
And so the time I work as a seller is long.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for information. So so this is the first time you join with us, right?
Yes, this is the first time I join this job.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how do you know our group?
I know this group via mm, a supplier, a supplier. I work with him, and he asked me about this job, and I joined. Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yes. So
Yes.
so
He's very very good at English. So
yes. So I think our group is a good environment uh, for people who want to learn English and improve English skill, especially in speaking and listening also. Yeah.
yes.
Yes. So in fact, in our group there are too many engineer with many different field, so that's we can exchange knowledge, yeah, and share information. Yes, it's very interesting to have you join with us in next near future. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for introduction. Yeah. Yes. Another guy, have you got any question for Miss Lina, Miss Hoài Linh?
This now is very famous in the internet. So famous.
Okay. So I think today is quite late. Yes. So any question for Miss Lina? Mr. Lợi, are you there?
Yes.
So Miss Lina, so your company location is near near the Mr. Phước company, right?
I maybe it's near his arrest. His arrest in Cây Keo Street and Cây Keo Street, Tam Phú Hoa, Thủ Đức City.
Yeah, Also, sorry, Miss Lina. So last question for you from me. so if possible, next time can you prepare some slide or some PowerPoint presentation to us to show your product and your service? It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So I will contact to you later for detail. Yes.
Yes.
Now it's time for another guys. Mr. La.
This is my pleasure.
Yeah. You are welcome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any question for other?
Miss Lina.
Yes. Hello. Hello, Mr.
Okay,
La.
welcome to the group, and looking forward to see your presentation for next time. Right? Actually, I don't know much your products, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. So today is very useful topic, especially for engineer or student in our group. Yeah, because Mr. Phước already share so many good information. Yeah, and how to do, how to make a good CV. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Yeah. See you next Thursday.
Sleep well. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye and good night.
Yeah.
Bye.